Hello guys, this is Reggie, the washer dryer repair nerd. Just want to do a quick video on if you have a washer that's full of water. This one's full of water. This one has been sitting outside, but the principle still applies. If you've got a washer that's full of water, and let's say you have a broken drain pump, or you just basically want to get the water out, got a quick instruction for you on how to do that. Now this will only work if your washer has the drain hose at the bottom, which is right here. So if you have a bottom drain hose, this is how you get the water out of the washer. If you're doing this inside your home, obviously you're going to have a bucket, but you basically grab the drain hose here, and it's a really complicated thing to do. Yeah, drop the drain hose, and look at that, and the water comes out. So if you want to get the water out of your washer for whatever reason, and you have a lower drain hose, you just lower the drain hose and that releases the water, because basically the weight of the water keeps the water inside the machine. See, now it's stopping. Wife's calling me. See, so we've got water coming out, and you lift it, it stops. Now also keep in mind too, if you for some reason you have a makeshift drain hose at your home and it's too low, the washer will actually fill with water and go straight out if the drain hose is laying flat like that. So that's why you have to have that elevated in order to keep water inside your washer. So just a little food for thought. Any questions, leave a comment below. And again, please subscribe, and also I have links at the bottom for my parts website too. Thank you.